K8's clothes have been pirated. Simpiwe Ngema thanks fans for support, and Generation star Vuyo Dabula shows off his leading lady. I'm Jennifer Sanasi. It's the 17th of September, and you're watching News 24 Live. Just when Cashtown fans thought they had the dopest threads from their favorite group, it turns out that they were fakes. The group revealed to the Daily Sun that pirates are selling fakes of their merchandise, and it's really hurting their sales. Tabiso Kati told the Daily Sun, "It's sad that we are proudly South African small business creating employment for black youth, and then this happens. How can you tell if you have the real thing?" KO says the range is limited to t-shirts and tracksuits and only use a specific fabric, while the fakes are made of cotton and other fabrics. Simpiwe Ngema's Muvango journey has come to an end this week. It looks like she will miss her friends on the show and fans just as much as the fans will miss her. Simpiwe took to her Instagram to thank her network for the overwhelming support. She wrote, "The moment that introduced Thuli to her supporters, who then became Simpiwe supporters. It has been a beautiful journey. Thank you so much for the love," and Thuli takes a bow. It seems Generation star Vuyo Dabula is a taken man. The actor is usually quite private about his life, but he took to Instagram to show off a pic of his special lady. The pic had this caption, "The Queen herself and her warrior. What keeps me going. What a great time in Polokwane. You are a special human being." That's really adorable. For all you ladies out there who thought you had a chance, we are really sorry. There you have it, what all of your favorite celebrities have been up to. For all of your latest breaking entertainment news, head on over to our sister website, channel24.co.za, and we hope you have a fantastic day.